Hello guys, welcome back. This is Finstock Biztalk. Here give you tips on how you can grow your social media, how you can improve your skill set today, and even how you can make money online. And my name is Patrick.
And my name is Emma. Today we are going to be talking about the characteristic of a good sales representative. Yeah. Last time we did on how to become a good sales representative. But what are these characteristics that define you? And people will say this is a good sales representative. One of the things that you need is charisma.
Okay.
And charisma, when we're talking about charisma, is you're like being a likable person. You know, someone who is charismatic, someone you just meet and you feel like, this is a good vibe. This is someone I can associate with.
Yeah, exactly.
So if you want to sell your products, your customers need to feel like, this is a person I can relate with. This is someone who understands me. This is someone it's easy to speak to.
Yeah, and you should building now charisma. Even how you dress, how you talk, increase on your charismatic skills.
Yeah, and then another thing is persistent, because if you're persistent, you get to gain a lot of customers. Let's say you're selling a product and it's not moving the way you want, and you're not getting the customers the way you want. But if you're persistent in marketing, if you're persistent in looking for customers, obviously at the end of the day, you'll find that customer will buy from you. So do not give up. Just be persistent in terms of marketing, talking to your customers, following up on what they are doing and how they like the product. Persistent is very key.
Yeah, exactly. And I've never seen a person who is that as persistent as I've never seen a person who is as persistent as it should be and then fail.
Totally.
It doesn't work that way. So as long as you're persistent, you just keep hitting on your goals.
Yeah, and then another characteristic that you should have if you want to be a good sales representative is have the drive.
Okay.
You need to have that oomph, that psych. Because imagine you're going to sell things and you don't have the psych, so you're just there, you're lazy. Even your customers will feel that this person. Have you ever gone to buy from someone and then the way they're selling the product to you, feel like this person doesn't even feel like
it's
selling.
Like they don't want the money.
You don't want the money. What is wrong with you? As in, it's something that customers really notice. So if you want to be a good sales representative, you need to have that drive, and customers need to feel that you really want to sell that thing. Even the way, have you ever gone to Kamukunji and the way they sell you a bag, they have even started. You have not given the money.
As long as you enter there, you're not leaving it.
You're not. Bag. They even pack and they fit you well, and they tell you how it matches with your clothes, and then you'll buy it. So you need to have that drive. And then another thing you need to have is being a problem solver, because obviously in the workplace you always, or at your job, you always find problems. So you need to come up with solutions. Know how to come up with solutions.
Yeah, exactly. And as long as you are someone who comes up with, identify the problem and then come up with a solution. Don't just identify the problem and just leave it as a problem. As long as you are someone who solves problems, you're going just to make sure that you're doing
very well
in your workplace.
And then another characteristic of a good sales representative is you should be confident. You need to be confident if you want the customers to buy from you. Because if you're not confident, they will not be confident about the thing you're selling to them. If you're selling a suitcase to a person and you're not confident that suitcase can carry a lot of luggage, it cannot. Let's say the customer is asking you, how many clothes can I fit in this suitcase, and you're not saying, I am not sure, that customer will not buy.
Yeah, exactly. They won't, no one is going to buy. You should make sure that at least you know the product inside out and you're very confident about the functionality of the product, so that
totally. Even it's like just the way scammers will be very confident when they're selling something to you. Yet they will scam you and you just wonder how the audacity.
They are very precise. They know everything.
Yes.
And they are very confident about it.
So you need to be confident if you want to be a good sales representative. So those are the 5 characteristics of a good sales representative. I hope you have learned something. If you've learned something, just notify us in the comment section and we'll be sure to read it out and appreciate your feedback. And make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified.
Yeah, exactly. And if you want to learn more about workplace and how you can become all these things, how you can improve your communication skill to improve your sales, make sure that you enroll for courses at Finstock Evarsity College. They have a lot of courses about sales management and business management. So make sure that you visit them at their website, which is www.finstockevarsity.com, or call the customer care number at 0703 313 722, or email them at info@finstockevarsity.com. And that is it, guys. Until next time,
goodbye.